In this video, I will show you a set of a very simple and very easy to use functions of VEGA program to create static slices. With VEGA, you can create both static and dynamic slices. In this video, we will talk about static slices. Let's look at this building from the top. I want to create a horizontal slice. First, we define the point of the first cut line. It should be on the point cloud. I can see the coordinates of this point. Now we define the second point and the width of the slice. The command shows me the value of the slice width. This line can either intersect the point cloud or be outside the point cloud. We've got the slice. Let's look at it from the side. The vertical slice command works the same way as the horizontal slice command. If we change the colors, we can clearly see the slice. Slices can be made from any view and from any angle. Let's look at the building from this side. Let's make a crop, define the points and get a slice. In addition to the horizontal and vertical slices, there is also an angled slice. Let's look at the building from that side. I want to get a slice of the roof. I define the angle at which I want to cut, and then I do the same thing. Define the first point inside the cloud. Define the second point outside the cloud. Make the slice and get the roof. For all commands that create static slices, in addition to dynamically setting the width of the slice, you can also set a numeric value for its width. Let's see how to do this using a vertical slice as an example. I define the first section line. If I move the second section line and press the mouse button at that point, I will dynamically set the width of the slice. If instead I press W and enter a slice width value, the command will create a slice with the specified width. The side on which the slice is cut is determined by the current position of the second section line.